Hello, my name is Camilo Borja. Today I am going to speaking with element, which is very important because it's improves because stability, staying control, tire life, and driving safety. They are several main element and goes camber, caster, and down. Camber is the angle of the wheel when being from the front of the vehicle. If the top of the wheel is outside, it is called positive camber. If the stone lines inward, it is called negative camber. Negative camber in previous side contact with the road wheel turning and provides better grip. Jawbone to match negative camber wears the inside of the tires. To match positive camber wear the side of the tire. Mover big vehicles use highlight that only adds small amount of camber. Caster is the angle of the steering kits when the from the side of the vehicle. Positive carrier Jeff the steering will return to the center after a turn. It also improves steering stability and joins better steering control. Negative carrier reduces stability and makes the vehicle harder to control. Bow front wheels soft, have the same caster angle. Those is the angle of the wheels when due from a bat. There are two types, towing where the front of the tires point in a ward, to tow out where the front of the tires point outwards. Correct towing in previous steering in leading stability and reduces tire wear. Incorrect thoughts causes an event that were and poor steering performance and to its adjusted by changing the lengths of the tie rods. This is rectangle is the direction of the rear wheels compared with the center line of the vehicle. A correct start angle keep the vehicle moving in the steering line. If it's incorrect, the vehicle may pull to one side and the tires may wear unevenly. Well, setback is the difference between the position of one wheel and the other on the same axis. If one wheel leans farther forward or backward, the vehicle may not travel in the straight line. In conclusion, when element is for vehicle safety and performance, Camber improves their contact with the road, Caster provides steering stabilization and helps the steering wheel return to the center. Two, it keeps the vehicle steady and reduces the wear. The South angle and well setback help the vehicle travel in a steering lane. Regular alignment improves safety in case the tire line fan make driving more comfortable on safety for your station.